Samsung is reportedly preparing to launch a more affordable clamshell-style foldable smartphone, potentially named the Galaxy Z Flip FE or Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. This device is expected to bring the foldable experience to a wider audience at a lower price point, making it an exciting development for fans of Samsung's foldable lineup. Initially, reports suggested that Samsung would equip this new device with the Exynos 2500 chipset, a next-generation processor offering significant improvements in performance and efficiency. However, a new report indicates that Samsung might instead use the Exynos 2400E, a slightly downgraded version of the Exynos 2400 that was seen in the Galaxy S24. This news comes from Android Authority, citing reliable sources that confirm Samsung's upcoming product, codenamed B7R, will feature the S5e 9945 processor. The B7R codename is associated with the Galaxy Z Flip FE, and the S5e 9945 model number corresponds to the Exynos 2400E chipset. This suggests that Samsung is opting for an older and less powerful processor, potentially as a cost-saving measure. So how does the Exynos 2400E compare to its counterparts? The Exynos 2400E is a slightly less powerful version of the standard Exynos 2400, featuring a lower clock speed for the Cortex-X4 core. Additionally, Samsung is rumored to be using integrated package-on-package IPOP technology with this processor, which could further reduce manufacturing costs. However, this design choice may result in a thicker device that runs hotter compared to traditional packaging methods. While the difference between the Exynos 2400E and Exynos 2400 is relatively small, the gap between these two and the Exynos 2500 is significant. The Exynos 2500 is expected to introduce a completely new architecture, including the Cortex-X 925 CPU core, Xclipse 950 GPU, an upgraded NPU, and a more advanced image signal processor, ISP. Moreover, it will be manufactured on a cutting-edge 3-in fabrication process, making it more efficient and powerful than the 4-in-based Exynos 2400 series. This decision marks a departure from Samsung's previous approach to its foldable lineup. Historically, Samsung has relied on Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipsets for all of its Galaxy Z Flip devices, ensuring high performance and reliability. The shift to an Exynos processor, especially one that is not the latest or most powerful, raises concerns about the phone's overall performance and efficiency. Choosing the Exynos 2400E instead of the Exynos 2500 may be a cost-cutting strategy, but it comes at the risk of underwhelming users who expect strong performance from a foldable device. The Exynos 2500 was already seen as a more affordable alternative to Qualcomm's flagship chipsets to fight the less powerful chipset. Overall, the Galaxy Z Flip FE could be an exciting addition to Samsung's foldable lineup, offering an affordable entry point for those interested in foldable technology. However, the decision to use the Exynos 2400E instead of the Exynos 2500 raises questions about performance and whether this trade-off will be worth it for consumers. As we await official confirmation from Samsung, tech enthusiasts and potential buyers will be watching closely to see if the company can strike the right balance between affordability and performance.